About this item: White Medium Star 7-in-1 USB-C hub. Plug and play. This multi-port USB-C adapter extends a laptop's USB-C into 7 ports, 3 USB 3.0 ports, 1 HDMI port, 1 power delivery charging port, 1 SD card reader, 1 TF card reader. Plug and play. No additional software and driver needed. White Medium Star 4K HDMI to USB-C hub. Mirror or extend your Type-C device's screen with 4K video at 30 Hz or 1080p video. HDMI output to HD TV, monitors, or projectors. Simple connection to get stunning pleasure. White Medium Star 100W power delivery dock. The USB-C charging input port of this hub could connect a power adapter up to 100W power delivery to keep your laptop high-speed charging while you're using all other functions of the hub. Please make sure the USB-C port of your device supports charging function. White Medium Star Fast USB-C Hub. 3 USB 3.0 ports support transfer speeds up to 5 Gbps, and charging up to 5V at 0.9A. White Medium Star Pocket Size SD/TF USB-C adapter made of durable aluminum alloy casting with tiny pocket size, 5.1 x 1.1 x 0.44 inch. Compatible with SD and TF cards up to 512 GB capacity, and